Hear that sound? That's that plasticky sound that nobody likes. Or at least I know I don't like that sound or this feel. With the new way I do my shirts, you no longer get that sound or that feel. Alright y'all, so in this video here, I'm about to get ready to apply this design. I already heated my shirt up for 5 seconds to release the moisture. I did it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to go ahead and press my transfer on at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and get this shirt pressed up right here. Alright, so that has finished pressing. Put my finishing sheet on there and give it a 5-second press. Alright. So this is the design right here, up close. As you can see, nice detail and vibrant. And you don't have to worry about that plastic feel or that plastic sound with any of my shirts that I do, sweatshirts or hoodies, because I have figured out how to get rid of that sound. So I wanted to bring y'all in close just so y'all can see how different the designs are now. Like I said, just same design, just upgraded it, more details and stuff. But the way I create my designs now, that, like I said, that plastic feel and that plastic sound is gone. So I'm bringing y'all in close so y'all can actually see it and hear it. So, hear that one? This is the old way, the way mostly everybody is doing their DTF prints. The new way. So if you want to know how I achieve this effect, it will be available on my website, which I have linked down in the description. I know for a fact it works with the Lancelot M1630 Pro software, and they use the color box rip software. I'm not sure if any other DTF printer software has the option to do this, but I know for a fact that it works with the color box rip software that comes with the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer.